Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a mini cat stuffing in some of my saving challenges, and also we're going to be starting a new saving challenge, and I have some happy mail. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. This will help my channel out a great deal. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, sweeties, before I begin this video, I want to thank all my new subscribers and welcome to the family. I am so happy, so grateful that you guys are here, and the ones that's been rocking and rolling me this whole time. I'm so grateful for your continued support, and also the ones who are not subscribed yet. What are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. It's free. All right, sweeties. Those of you guys that are new watching my channel, I want to let you guys know that over here, I do cat stuffings, expense check-ins, saving challenges, happy mail unboxing. I do a little bit of vlogging and I do budgeting, but I do that off camera. My goal is to save as much as I can and become debt-free. All right, sweeties. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all doing well. Me, honey, I'm doing well. So, sweeties, let me start off with this past Friday. So, sweeties, I ended up going to the fair again that's in my neighborhood. You guys, I had so much fun. This time, a couple of my friends went, and we had sat and we had listened to the different bands play. You guys, it was so crowded. It was so jam-packed. It was so much fun. The bands plays good music. Y'all, I just had a ball, y'all. So, sweeties, I ended up purchasing some street tacos. They were good. And then also too, honey, I had to eat another funnel cake. That funnel cake was so fresh and so hot. It had the powdered sugar on there. And you guys, it had some strawberries on there. You guys, it was amazing. I absolutely loved it. And so, sweeties, on Saturday, I didn't do anything. I stayed in the house. And then on Sunday, I had ended up washing my hair. I cleaned up, and, I binge watched videos, and that was about it, y'all. So, sweeties, I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and awesome week. All right, sweeties, so the first thing I want to start off is my happy mail. I am super excited about it. So, sweeties, I found this item one day when I was looking at, Erica from Black and Blue. I was looking at her video and I saw this particular item in it. And so I had, contacted her on Instagram and I asked her where she got it from, honey. And she told me and I jumped on it. So, sweeties, this item came from Letty's Print. I absolutely can't wait to show you guys this item. I am so excited about it. So, sweeties, you guys don't know, and I found out from Erica that Letty is Hands and Band's sister, you guys. So, that was all the more to make a purchase. So, anyway, sweeties, I'm going to show you exactly what I end up getting. All right, sweeties, so the item came in this box, you guys. So, of course, I had to black out the information. And so, sweeties, this is what it looks like in the front. And so this is what the back of this packaging looks like. So, sweeties, I am going to move this packaging on the side because I've already taken it out of this box. So once again, let me move this on the side. And so, sweeties, the item came in this box, but first I want to show you this beautiful, colorful thank you card. It says thank you for your order. And so this is what the front of it looks like. And so this is what the back of it looks like. And so, sweeties, it has her Etsy shop on here, and it has also her Instagram. And it has a 10% code for me to use for my next purchase. Absolutely love this card, and so I'm going to place this on the side. And so, sweeties, this is what my item comes in. And so, sweeties, I'm so excited about it, you guys. So this is what the front of this packaging looks like. It says LP, Letty's Print. It says multiple purpose tray. And look what you guys, it says personalized for Sweet Kiki. I'm so excited about it. So, sweeties, this is what the front of this box look like. And this is what the back of the box look like. So, sweeties, let's open this up. Sweeties, you guys, this is my new cash tray. So, sweeties, let me take it out of the packaging. And let me move this box on the side. Look, you guys, I absolutely love it. And so, sweeties, this is a customized cash tray. And so, sweeties, I had my name engraved in gold. Hope you guys can see it. It says Sweet Kiki on it. Absolutely love it. And so, you guys, I had to get it in my favorite color, purple. So, sweeties, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, it has 8 slots. And so, this is what the top of it looks like. And so, this is what it looks like on the side. So, I'm going to flip this over. And this is what it looks like on the back. So, sweeties, it has these feet, is what I call them. And so, these feet are for, you know, not to scratch up your table. You know, when you place this cash tray, you know, sitting on the table, you don't want to scratch it up. So, sweeties, let me place my new cash tray on the side over here. You guys, I hope you can see it. Let me see here. Let me make sure everything is okay. There you go, guys. Oh, I'm so excited about it. All right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to take my envelope here with the cash inside. And so the amount of money that I'm going to be cash stuffing is going to be a total of $36. All right, sweeties. So let's take the monies out of this particular envelope here. I'm going to place this envelope on the side. And so, sweeties, the amount of... Oh, my goodness, you guys. I don't know why at this point, honey, I said the amount twice. Ignore it. All right, sweeties. Let's make sure it comes out to $36. So that's 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And that is correct. All right, sweeties, I'm going to be placing these monies over here in my new cash tray. So let me separate and the denominations. And let's place it in this beautiful tray. All right, sweeties. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my $1 binder here. And I am going to open up to the $1 envelope. But let me open the binder up first. And so, sweeties, let's open it up to one of the $1 Saving Challenge envelope. And so, sweeties, we're going to take 5 $1 bills. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, sweeties, make sure that I did that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, sweeties, we're going to be placing 5 $1 bills in my $1 bill saving challenge. So let me close this particular envelope up. I am going to move this binder on the side. And so, sweeties, the next, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this $5 saving challenge. And so, sweeties, this saving challenge was created by my twin Tina. And so, sweeties, she has an Etsy shop. You guys, and her Etsy shop is called SweetTeTeShop. All right, sweeties, so let me tell you about this saving challenge. Well, let me tell you the story first. So, sweeties, I have filmed, y'all, I tried to do this video at least 3 times, y'all. And I just kept, I don't know what's my problem today. But anyway, sweetie, so what I was going to do is I was going to cash stuff $5. And so what happened then, I already had colored this $5 money bag, but I did not stuff the envelope yet. So, sweeties, I just want to show you that I've already colored this particular money bag green. And so, sweeties, I'm going to be placing this saving challenge on the side. And I am going to take out my binder here. And I am going to open it up to the $5 envelope. So, sweeties, here's my $5 saving challenge envelope. Let me open this up right quick. And I'm going to place a $5 bill inside. Okay, sweeties, I'm going to move this binder over. And so, sweeties, I'm going to take out the next saving challenge. The next saving challenge, this is the $570 saving challenge. And once again, this saving challenge was created by my twin, Tina. All right, sweeties. So once again, honey, I had messed up the video. And so what I did was I was just only going to be cash stuffing $5. And so I had ended up already crossing this $5 money bag, but I did not stuff the envelope. So, sweeties, I am going to move this saving challenge on the side. And I am going to take my binder. Here it is, sweeties. And I am going to find the $500 saving challenge envelope. So even though that saving challenge is $570, I'm just placing this still in this $500 saving challenge. So, sweeties, let me open this particular envelope up. Oh, you know what, you guys? This envelope is a little tricky to open up because I had messed up the tab. So, sweeties, I got it open anyway. So, I am going to take a $5 bill. And I'm going to be placing that inside this envelope here. All right, sweeties. So I am going to close this saving challenge binder for right now. And let me move this on the side. And so, sweeties, the next saving challenge, this is also the $1,000 saving challenge, and this also was created by my twin Tina. And so, sweeties, now on this one, I didn't get a chance to color this one yet. So, sweeties, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be coloring this $11 piggy. And so, sweeties, let me see. I think I'm going to take the color orange. And so, sweeties, let me show you the markers that I'm going to be using, that I have used. And so, sweeties, here they are. These are the big markers, and they are medium point. All right, sweeties. So, once again, I think I'm going to color this $11 piggy. I think I'm going to be coloring that orange. And let's see here. Sweeties, I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Again, honey, I enjoyed myself on Friday. And I had just, once again, y'all, I just relaxed and just did a cleaning up around the house and washed my hair, you know. So, guess what, y'all? I think I'm going to be going to the Dollar Tree. I think I might go later on tonight. Because what I did was I saw some items on Instagram, actually. And so I hope that I can find them in the store. And so if I do find them, you guys, I'm going to show you what I end up purchasing if I can find them. All right, sweeties. So I am finished coloring this saving challenge. I'm going to move this on the side here. And I am going to take this binder and I am going to open it up to the $1,000 challenge. And let me open the envelope. And so, sweeties, let me take a 10 and a 1. So that's $10, $11. Place that inside. And I am going to move this binder on the side. And so, sweeties, my next saving challenge is the new one that I am going to start. And so this came in this beautiful box. And so, sweeties, this is the $32 saving challenge. I actually had won this from Pink Uni Budgets, and you guys, I absolutely love her. So, sweeties, this is going to be, once again, my first time doing this challenge. And so let's open up the box. And so, sweeties, let me take out this beautiful envelope tracker. And so, sweeties, I am going to be cash stuffing a total of $10 inside these envelopes. So, sweeties, the first envelope I am going to cash stuff is this $1 one. Let me move this on the side. So let me take a $1 bill. I'm going to fold this up. And I am going to place it inside. Look how it looks, you guys. I absolutely love it. Love these envelopes, you guys. These envelopes are so nice and so sturdy. And it's good quality, y'all. So, sweeties, I had placed the $1 bill inside this particular $1 envelope. And so I'm going to place this back inside. And you guys, I'm going to take a black marker here. Here it is. And so since I stuffed one envelope, I'm going to cross out this envelope first. And let me move this tracker on the side. So, sweeties, the next envelope I'm going to pull out is the second envelope, which is number 2. And, sweeties, I'm going to be placing a total of $2 in this envelope. So that's $1, $2. Let me fold this up nice and neat. Let me place it in this envelope. And I'm going to place this back inside. Since I stuffed the second envelope, I'm going to cross this envelope out. So that means I had stuffed 2 envelopes so far. And let me take out number 3 here. I absolutely love her envelopes. And so let me take $3. So that's $1, $2, $3. 1, 2, 3. And let me fold this nice and neat. I'm going to place this inside this envelope. And I'm going to place it inside this box here. I'm going to mark off the third envelope. And let's place this on the side. And so, you guys, let me take out the fourth envelope, which is this one. And so this should be the last $4. So that's $1, 2, 3, $4. And let me fold this nice and neat. And let me stuff this particular envelope here. And let me place this envelope back inside. You guys, I am super excited about this new saving challenge. And once again, sweeties, this new saving challenge came from Pink Uni Budgets. All right, sweeties, so that is all that I have for you. If you like these type of videos, give it a thumbs up. Please share with everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. Those of you guys that are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications for my video uploads. And don't forget to watch the ads during my videos. And I will see you in my next one.